everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1966 Ford F100 custom cab. Gorgeous truck, guys. It just underwent two years ago, this was done, a $65,000 Nut-N-Bolt Rotisserie Restoration. Beautiful truck. Clean Tennessee body. Truck showing 1,500 on the odometer, but actually there's less than 200 miles on this truck since it was done. Gorgeous truck. Original 352 automatic. It's got aftermarket vintage AC. It's as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. It was done on a rotisserie. We'll put some photos online so you can see the bottom of it. Just a stunning truck. Love the color combination. This is the original color. It's Caribbean turquoise and Wimbledon white. It's got the black interior. That's factory. We thought this was pretty cool. It's actually got 16x8 steel wheels. It's got a disc brake conversion kit on it. Just an awesome 66 Ford, guys. There's not a whole lot I can really pick at on this one. Pretty truck. You can see they've redone or replaced most of the stainless and trim. It is just slick as can be. Sorry guys, that's just a little, boys missed it with a rag. I love this color combination, and the quality of the truck is just outstanding. All new glass. And unfortunately, the gentleman who actually had this truck restored has passed away. Tonneau cover. They've relocated the gas tank on it. It's got it's got exactly what my new pickup truck's. It's got the Rhino line bed liner in it. Nice and straight down the side. It's got all Michelin rubber all the way around it. And like I say, when you see the bottom of this thing, it is just beautiful. Sorry, man, I'm sliding around out here. We got a little ice problem right now. The sun came out and melted some of the snow here, and it's got everything all icy and slippery. Again, 16x8 inch wheels, got the Ford caps and trim rings. Beautiful truck, man. Turn the key, take it right to a show, guys. Again, original 352. It's got a Holley 4-barrel on it, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got air. Air does work. It's brand new. But we have had some fire trucks around here today. Yeah, this is just a stunning truck, guys. Just a couple little bugs or something on that. That'll clean off, guys. Yeah, it's just a great truck, man. It's original door tag. They've relocated the fuel tank to the rear. It's got the factory dash. They've added some aftermarket gauges. Matter of fact, Jay said that the oil pressure gauge isn't working, but the light and the temp gauge, all the factory stuff actually works. It's pretty cool. That's the factory AM radio. They've converted it to FM. There's your controls underneath the dash for the AC, heat and AC. Oops, I didn't show you. It's a headliner. It's got a little sculpted Ford headliner in there, which is cool. Dual exhaust. It's got the stock rear end with the factory limited slip gear. I'll have to put it in the ad. I can't remember what the gear was. Again, this is exactly kind of what they do on the new. My newer truck has this. It's a Rhino line bed liner. Makes it very usable. There's your the fill for the fuel tank. Oh, you want to do that, Jay? A tough one-handed. Yeah, new tonneau cover on it. Again, we took a couple of photos of the underside for it so you can see it better. Thing is brand new, top to bottom. Yeah, this is a great truck, man. Tickled when we got this thing bought. Seat's nice, very comfortable. Dash is nice. Gauges are nice and clear. Oh, it's showing 1578 on the odometer in there. But like you say, he said there's less than 200 miles on the truck since it was actually completed. How nice all the trim is and everything. Beautifully done. Motor's redone, trans is redone. You see Jay just kicked the air on, it works. I love the parking lights on the 66 body style up there. Chevrolets are kind of up there, you know, high too. I like that. I think that's cool. Oh, I forgot about that. It's got power windows. Forgot about that. It's got power windows. Forgot to tell you that. Amp gauge is working. Fuel gauge works. Temp gauge works. That gauge is not working, but the light does. Parking brake works. See, the license plate light works. That is an outstanding truck, guys. Oh, look, all the lights are on. Sorry, guys, we got
at Kroger.
AM FM converted. Blower motor works. Yeah, it's got a power window switch on this side. See how nice those doors open and close. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, 248-620-3355. Yeah, that is just a great little Ford, man. This kind of truck right there has kept us around for 40 years, guys. Actually, 41 now, I should say. Sorry. Oh, great. So we pulled out in front of him. Have a great day, guys. Sorry.